All right, welcome to my video on the Quick Start Kit for Herbalife Nutrition. And the reason I'm making this is because I've got a lot of new customers coming online and they have been on Herbalife before or they're interested in the Quick Start Kit. So what this is going to do is it's going to explain to you what the Quick Start Kit is, and it's going to explain to you what each item in the Quick Start Kit does. Okay, so and of course, this is on Herbalife Nutrition Quick Start Kit for a healthy and active lifestyle and to lose weight or whatever your purpose is. So, Quick Start Kit consists of a couple of different items. The first thing I would say is it's got the Formula One healthy meal in it, and this is a meal shake replacement. So, it has that in it, okay? So, you get one of these. Okay. And then also it comes with your multivitamin. Okay. And then it comes with your cell activator. And then it comes with your 1.8 ounce tea. And so this is what the Quick Start Kit is. And right now, yeah, so this is what it is. These are the items. So let's go through each one and talk about what they are, why they're important, and how they can help you. So first, I'll start off with the most popular item that Herbalife has, and it's their Formula One Healthy Meal Shake. So what this is it's a healthy protein shake that is got all the vitamins and minerals you should have in it, and it's got protein in it, which is one of the most important things because we need protein for our muscles. Okay. And of course, you can always look at all the facts on the back, and depending on how you prepare it, there's different calorie counts for each way to prepare it. Okay, so but for this video, this is the mini kit or the Quick Start Kit, which is a small kit. So it comes with the Formula One meal shake. Okay, and then what we're going to go to is it comes with the multivitamin. So the multivitamin, I'll just put this here so that I'll build on this. So it comes with the multivitamin, and you take this multivitamin 3 times a day, and this gives you the vitamins that are not in the shake, okay, for your complete day. Why are they separate? Because they are, if they added these vitamins in with the actual Formula One meal, that they would not taste good. So what they have done is they realized that in the very beginning, and so they separated them, and they have a tablet that you take 3 times a day for your multivitamin. The next thing that you get with it is the cell activator. So the cell activator comes with it as well. You may or may not be familiar with a cell activator, but what the cell activator does is it actually gets the villi. There's these little fingers. Well, they're smaller than fingers, but they kind of look like little fingers in your stomach. And they actually are like little straws, kind of like, and they suck up all the nutrition that comes into your belly. Well, just like anything else, they can get plugged up. And so this cell activator actually cleans them and keeps them clean. Okay, this is a natural product. This is made from mushrooms. So that is what keeps your villi clean. And that's super important because you're buying this nutrition to be healthy. So you want to be able to accept all the healthy stuff that you're putting in there. That's why this is so important, and that's why this works better with this. Okay, so you need that, and that's why it's with the Quick Start Kit. All right, awesome product that also comes with a Quick Start Kit is your herbal tea concentrate, 1.8 ounce. Okay, this comes with it, and this is really good tea, and it burns 80 calories per 8-ounce cup. Okay, and it's got a really smooth flavor. Also, it speeds your metabolism up. But that's where you get your 80 calories. It burns 80 calories. All right, and it gives you energy. So all those things come with the Quick Start Kit. Okay, so just wanted to explain what everything is in the Quick Start Kit, and that's what you get. Okay, so you get the Formula One meal, and you pick what flavor you want. Vanilla is popular because you can put berries and everything in it. And then you get your multivitamin, your cell activator, and your tea. All right. So that's what you get in the Quick Start Kit. Now, quick note, right at this very moment, they are out of stock on a couple on those quick start kits, and that's only because the cell activator right at the moment is out. Okay, so if you're watching this and I just sent it to you, you might say, they're out, but I wanted to do a video on the quick start kit, tell you what it is, and everything. So it's around $125 for this, and it's an awesome combination. That's why they've grouped it together, and it's been a popular grouping. People have been buying this group over and over again before it even was a kit, or a mini starter kit, or whatever, a quick start kit, excuse me. So that's why they have now grouped it together. If it's ever not available, there's a reason. Right now, the cell activator is not available. If Herbalife cannot find the good product for this to make, they will not make it. And that's how they work. They're ethical. They do not want crap. So if they can't get the raw materials that are good, they will not make this. They will wait until they can get the good product. That's one of the things about Herbalife is they know you're counting on them to give you good food. So they will not give you crappy food. And that's one of the big reasons that we love them and trust them, because it works and because we can trust Herbalife to look out for us, right? So, so that's what's in the Quick Start Kit. They have it in all the different flavors. You can get all the different flavors, I do believe. And so check it out, and see maybe if that might be right for you. If you ever have any questions or anything, you can always get a hold of me, message me on the website, or you can message me on Facebook, right? Or on Instagram too. So I have a Get Fit page, and I have an ER Bootcamp. And then we have, of course, our online store. It's Eric Merge at GoHerbalife.com. That's Eric Merge, GoHerbalife.com. You can buy these products right on our website from us. And so this is a great combination to get started, especially if you've never done Herbalife. This is a great starter package. Gets you in really pretty cheap. Gets you, started. Gets you with all good stuff that really matter and what that you need to lose weight. All right. So awesome. If you have any other questions, remember, just hit me up. You can put a comment below if you want, and I appreciate that too. All right. Till we meet again. God bless.